802-250-2573. It's back to the nation's coolest Cool 97 FM. We're here doing a live Tuesday for you, and we're on location at the Summit. The Summit is the property that was formerly known as the Knutsford Court Hotel, and we'll be with you all the way up to 9 o'clock. Remember now, the segment courtesy of ATC Freight and Shipping. Let's see if we can squeeze in probably half a song before we go to our commercial break. According to my clock, it's 7:28.
From the Bible, Naya. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Hey, it's good to be here. Cool 97 FM. What a joy. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They had no fear at all. It was his happy head in my sky. It was God, let him be praised. It was his happy head in my sky. It was God, let him be praised. I hope you're up this morning, listening to Cool 97, where the Abyssinians, roots music, yeah, purging this morning. Yeah. Hey, yeah. Boo, 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 boo. Back to the roots. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. It was tree, now it's more in the fire. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego were amazed by such mighty power. What gives happy and you must God, it was God, let him be praised. What gives happy and you must God, it was God, let him be praised. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Come on. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Hope you're rocking. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Yeah. Hope you're rocking, Jamaica. Hope you're rocking and taking in the blessing from the Abyssinians. Coming to your feet.
last segment, ATC Freight and Shipping was a sponsor. They'll pick up, pack, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Oh, how about shipping with them? ATC Freight and Shipping. They're the proud agent of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515 and you can WhatsApp 573. Microphone is going in and out. Okay. So you're inside of the program Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM. And we're actually at 16th Avenue, if you want the exact location, in New Kingston, with our guests this morning, the Abyssinians and Everton Pessoa. So you're invited to tune in if you're in the office already or you're still at home and you'd like to see what's happening. You can watch what's happening by simply visiting KOOL97m.com and you can e-tile. Remember, like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Joining us this morning for Live Tuesday is a cool sponsor, Alkaline Drinking Water. Okay, all right. And remember, improve your water, improve your health. Yeah. Thanks, Everton. Everton being a real gentleman. So improve your water, improve your health, and it's bottled by Health Creation Industries in White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. Mikey's my mic. All right, and try to connect with the... Right now we're going to connect with the Abyssinians in conversation. So I have with me Everton Pessoa. Good to see you. How are you?
Perfectly well.
Okay, let's see if my microphone prefers you. Okay, so how was the group formed? In what year?
In the 60s, the Abyssinians came to life, you know. And, you know, in that era, the reggae music was, a lot of things was happening at that time. Lots of creative things was happening at that time, you know. And the Abyssinians came to the fore.
Theirs was message music and continues to be message music based on what we've heard this morning. But who were the members who actually formed the group?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to let you direct this question to the original founder.
Well, greetings and welcome, Mr. Manning, Cool 97 FM. Happy to have you. Tell us about the foundation of the Abyssinians. Whose idea? Who brought you all together?
Yeah, I brought them. I built the group because I have a brother named Carlton. Him singing a song that was a #1 song, and all of us live with the same mother and father. So I follow Carlton. I try to follow what Carlton do. My bigger brother, and we work from there.
What year was this?
That was early in the 60s, about 1962.
Oh, okay. Wow. So
Can I
you're
ever sing a song named Love Me Forever? It was the #1.
Carlton and the Shoes.
See, you know.
Love me forever, and I be true to
Yes. All right. So that is quite some history you have there, and congratulations on your longevity in the music business. Because from what we realize, this can be pretty ungrateful at times. It can be rewarding for some. So, who are the members of the Abyssinians now?
Right now.
Right now we have Mr. Manning at the helm. You have me. You have George Henry. And you have O'Neill Scott, 2-time festival song winner. Yes.
Nazzleman?
Yes, man. Yes, man. Yes.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Oh, and you have musicians. Who are the musicians?
The sons, the Manning.
Okay.
We have Julia Manning. He's the bass player and the manager. And then you have Prince.
Oh, on drums?
On drums.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
My son.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, and we with the musicians we have for music we have like
Earl Fitzsimmons.
Hi,
Or
Earl.
we have the two bad horn players, the two good horn players, the Gales, Everton Gale and Everald Gale. Yeah.
Okay.
And they're holding down the hands. And my son is on percussion, David. Yes.
David needs a pass to get to school. David, don't worry. We'll put
Yeah,
in a
right.
good word for you, all right?
Yes. Big up Excelsior, you know? Big up Excelsior.
Can you remember now what you were aiming to do as a group? What was your clear mission at the very onset of the Abyssinians?
Well, when we just start, we never know about touring and those things. So when you see the touring come about, we really wanted to tour. So
You realized that there were other boundaries that you could conquer. You could see the world, perhaps at no expense.
well, that's what we really want to do because we see other musicians what's going on. And when them come back, them tell you how it stay and what was going on.
Oh,
So we try our best
yes.
to move around.
It makes sense. All right. Now, we're going to find out what else are you going to be performing for us this morning. And remember that seminal hit, Sata Masagana?
Yeah.
Now, that one is a staple on any playlist.
Yes.
So, literally, it's an anthem.
Yes.
What is that? I know in Jamaican we really love that song. What is the reaction to it overseas?
Well, Sata Amasagana mean give thanks. La Amlak mean to the Lord.
Oh, okay.
And Ulagiza mean forever, continually. So when you say Sata Amasagana La Amlak Ulagiz, you say give thanks to the Lord forever, continually.
Wow. See, cool listeners, you learned something this morning. So here's something else that we want to know.
No, you asked a question, Dan. You were asking about what's the reaction when we go overseas and we're performing these songs. I mean, all we have to do is start the song. We just start the song and the people take it over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can't get in a word after that. You know,
Play
it's,
instruments at that point.
there's a land. And everybody starts singing. You know?
Okay. Now, who penned that one?
Mr. Manning.
Mr. Manning. So literally, you're the main songwriter for the group.
Yeah, because I sing the Amharic. I know the Amharic. I used to
Wow.
give the Amharic. When I say Ixabir, it means God. Yimasgani may be praised. Ulagiza mean forever, continually.
Okay.
So it's a Satama Sagana, it's a give thanks. La Amlak to the Lord.
Yeah.
Ulagiz is a give thanks to the Lord forever.
Yeah.
Ah.
And in this group, we had Linford, Bernard, and Mr. Manning. You know, the original. Those are the original. That's the original. Those are the original members of the group.
Whoa.
And those, you know, when you sit down under the mango tree and you sit down, the three of them sit down and write the song them. That was what was happening. You
That
know,
is the
just like
energy.
how you can. The Wailers, you know,
Yes.
they would sit down
Linford
together.
was
Yeah.
my smaller brother.
Right.
She mother and father.
Right.
All right, we're going to go back to our stage, get some more music from the Abyssinians, because remember, the show goes all the way up to 9 o'clock, so we're going to have other opportunities to speak with them.
Yeah.
So we're going to invite you to, once again, take up your positions. We sit back, relax, sit in awe of you as you perform. No, I don't think you guys realize the magnitude of this. You see, we brought out the cameras so that we could record this. Yeah.
It's a Kodak moment.
No, man, this is beyond that now. No, but thank you ever so much for making it to Cool 97 FM and Live Tuesday. All right, so I'm going to ask you to just run back up there.
Is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae, it's spirit music, and Cool 97 FM is taking it to the summit for Live Tuesday, May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa. Hear Roots, Revolution, and the new age of of music.
Call upon the leader.
The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30, 7 to 9 a.m. Hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Key Mix Audio, and Summit New Kingston, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
Yeah, so we dedicate this song to Jamaica and Jamaicans. Because this beautiful country leads the world. Right? And this is this land. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what a beautiful country. Just if we could live in unity. Yes. This land is for everyone, and I have proved to it. This land belongs to every man, and I must get my share of it. This land is for everyone. A true Muslims and white and yellow man. A true this land was created by your Father. Father gave it to mankind. So let us all unite. This land, this land, I know what this land is for everyone. This land, I know. Jamaica, yes, is for everyone. Whoa, what a joy if all Jamaicans would live in peace and harmony. It was just so nice. Big up Stevie right now. This land was created by the Father. A true birds of peace and lilies of the field. A true the sun, the moon, the stars, and the sea. The Father gave it to mankind. So let us all unite. This land, I know. This land, what a beautiful, sweet Jamaica. This land, we've got to come together, love one another. Sweet. Coming true on Cool 97. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Jamaica, as you listen to us in your car, at your office. You're the Abyssinians coming through your speaker. It is such a joy.
This is a song.
Big one.
A song
Jamaica need
for Jamaica.
Need this
We
one
need to
right now.
stand up right now. Wherever you are. Wherever you are in the world. As a Jamaican. Yeah. Yeah. Come on, Jamaica. Hey, look how long they brought us down here. Never seen bondage right through these years. For sing, can we pull out that one? We can pull out that one, Diane. We can pull it down. We can pull it down. Yeah.
Give thanks.
Come on, Jamaica. We need to stand up. We need to stand up for our rights and declare.
May I tell you?
Oh, yeah.
Our sins.
Big up yourself, Bernard. Oh, yeah. FM, Cool FM. Yeah, that one. Powerful song.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Needed in this time.
Good morning and welcome. It is time for an
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae, it's spirit music, and Cool 97 FM is taking it to the summit for Live Tuesday, May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa. Hear Roots, Revolution, and the new age of music. The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30, 7 to 9 a.m. Hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Key Mix Audio, and Summit New Kingston, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae, it's spirit music, and Cool 97 FM is taking it to the summit for Live Tuesday, May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa. Hear Roots, Revolution, and the new age of music. The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30, 7 to 9 a.m. Hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Key Mix Audio, and Summit New Kingston, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots.
Thanks, Yoshiko. All right, let me remind you that this segment of Live Tuesday is in fact brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock Up in Panama, the go-to gateway for all things auto goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery from ATC Freight and Shipping. Call them at 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. We have Braham's Texaco on board, striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland, and you can call them at 876-993-2706. We're coming out of a segment that was sponsored by ATC Freight and Shipping. Need merchandise for your business? Stock Up in Panama, the go-to gateway for auto, all home goods, all things office and goodies for the kids. Pack and ship directly to Jamaica at low rates with customs clearance and delivery. That takes the hassle out of it, doesn't it? From ATC Freight and Shipping. Here's their number again, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And we say thanks as well to Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries in White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-549-0386. Okay. I'm just saying bless up to my optician. Yeah. I'm actually able to see this on my phone. All right, so I'm joined once again by representatives of the Abyssinians, and we also have Everton Pessoa. Now, we were on to Sata Masagana. Is it Sata Amasagana or Sata Masagana? Let's get that clear. Sata Amasagana. Sata. Oh, okay. Is that microphone on? All right. So, there you go. So it's Sata Amasagana. Let's not shorten it. All right, so you heard it right here on Cool 97. Now, in terms of that song, why do you think that it had such an impact?
Because that is Amharic, Ethiopian language. Mm-hmm. And at the time, we were learning the Ethiopian language.
Mm-hmm. But for the general public, your fans, why do you think it resonated?
The spiritual, you know.
So even though you might not know, even though you might not know,
yes.
somehow it is conveyed.
Yes.
Okay.
I can interpret that for you, please.
Mm-hmm. The whole air around the song, around the music, because the music is very important to the words, you know.
It is.
Or the lyrics, yeah? And that song, the horns and the whole thing around the Sata Masagana, the spirituality of it,
okay,
that makes that music what it is. Just like the one we did a while ago, This Land.
This Land. Beautiful.
And Declaration.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because you know we have so much things to declare in Jamaica. My God. Oh God, we can't even begin. I don't even want to, because that's another story. But you know, we give thanks that we are here and we are able to speak of things that are happening,
yes,
through the music, and we can express ourselves. Other places you go, you can't. You don't have a chance.
The freedom isn't there.
Freedom isn't there, you know.
So if not Sata Masagano, is there any other song that you have in your catalog that you would want to be remembered by?
Declaration of Rights.
Declaration of Rights, you think is...
Yes, Declaration. I have... listen,
would you concur?
The catalog of the Abyssinians is amazing. When I started singing with this group, one of my favorite songs is Imaskan. Let him be praised continually. Let me give them a piece of it. Imaskan ulagize. Let him be praised continually. Kibila amlak Imaskan. Glory to God, let him be praised. He will take us by the hand and lead us to the wonderland. If we can't be good, we be careful and do the best we can.
That is such a powerful prayer.
Yeah, man.
No, Everton, you touched on when you joined them. When was that? We see you featuring with several groups. When did you join the Abyssinians?
Well, to how we're meshing. It's like I've been here for years, ain't it? Yes, man. I don't even remember because the connection is so good. Feel like I've been here for years, ain't it?
Yeah, because you're no stranger to Cool. We know you as a solo artist.
Yes.
We know your exploits. We know you've been in festival. We know
Yes.
your successes.
Yes.
But I was really shocked to realize that you would be here this morning with the Abyssinians.
Yes.
Now, in terms of what else you're working on, give your fans, give us, your Cool listeners, an idea of what are your latest projects.
Okay, well, one of my latest project is I'm penning a song to give God thanks right now. I don't even want to touch a little piece of it, but because the ears are up out there, and as they say, them catch it then good,
Okay.
But those are some of the songs I'm looking at. I'm penning, giving thanks. So let me give you one line of it. Father, thank you for today, for taking us along the way, for showing us a brighter day. You've got some new things on the horizon. Each day you show your blessing. Father, thank you.
Nice.
Yeah.
I wish I could just belt out
Yeah,
like that.
So,
for the Abyssinians, what is happening now? What is happening for you in terms of, like, say, since the start of the year, what do you have on your plate right now to take you, say, up to summer?
Yeah, we did London early May, yeah. Yeah, we do April, yeah. And we have summer in the US.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is that how many cities?
We have we have Florida, we have New York, we have California, we have Hawaii. So much. I don't.
You have new music that you're coming out with this year?
yeah, man, we have new music.
All right. So we've heard that you're going to be doing a tour of quite a bit in the United States.
Yes.
If listeners want to keep in touch with you, how do they do that?
Yeah, well, we are on Facebook, and it is the Abyssinians at Facebook. And we have the website. It is the Abyssinians.
If we look for you on Instagram, just look for the Abyssinians.
In the Abyssinians.
Oh, okay, good. All right, so we're right now. We'll go back for a bit more music on Cool 97 FM. We want to truly treat our listeners to your vocal ability this morning. All right? So, once again, I'm going to ask that you take up your positions on our makeshift stage, which is really out in
It's
a
beautiful.
lovely garden.
It's beautiful here.
Temperature is wonderful.
Yes.
The
We're getting a
birds-
little breeze.
Yes, the birds are adding their voices to the songs that you've been singing.
Yes.
How much better can this get?
Lord have mercy. Just a nice cup of tea from
Don't worry, Yvonne gonna set you up.
Yvonne. Yes.
Yvonne from Ashanti Oasis is here at
Yeah.
the summit. Please rejoin the other members of the band, and we're going to turn out some more.
Is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae.
Yes, I want to take this time to just big up my school, Seaview Gardens Primary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's
you
my.
know, I keep
that's my
forgetting you're a
school.
teacher.
Yes, yeah, you know it go. You know it go. Yes, man. So I just want because I don't want them kick me out.
No bad. All right, you two get a pass for lateness.
Yes. So Jamaica, we're giving thanks. We're giving thanks. It's good to be here.
Yes,
Yeah.
Father, give thanks.
Yeah, so we're going down to this beautiful place called Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
Yeah. His Imperial Majesty, Haile.
Bless the word.
Every time.
So Jamaica, you're getting a feeding this morning, in a purging, right in to the land coming from the Abyssinians.
World music.
Music, our serious. Our beat.
I tell you.
Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. Yeah.
Definitely.
Crew, you see when you hear them song, fingers have to go up. Yeah, put up on the finger. One big up Mikey Thompson. Yeah? Yeah, keep it going. We want to big up the camera crew, we want to big up all the persons who make this possible.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody from Cool FM. We thank them, because this is one of the ways we keep roots and reggae music alive.
Blessings.
We thank you, everybody, you know, Diane, you know, some of the names I don't really know yet, but we'll get there with them. Yeah. So, all right. Sata.
How you mean? Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
There is a land far, far away where there's no night, there's only day. Look into the book of life and you will see that there's a land far, far away. That there's a land far, far away. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords sit upon his throne and he rules the sun. Look into the book of life and you will see that he rules the sun. Yes. That he rules the sun. Sata Amasaka. The King of Kings and the Lord of Lords sit upon his throne and he rules us all. Look into the book of life and you will see that he rules us all. That he rules us all. There is a land far, far away where there's no night, there's only day. Look into the book of life and you will see that there's a land far, far away. That there's a land far, far away. Santa Masagana, la habla. Santa Masagana, la habla. La keys. La keys.
Talk to them, Mr. Manny.
The praise.
You're going to get your blessing now.
Mercy on us, soldier.
The praise.
And have mercy on us. Though what half times and at every hour, in heaven and on earth that worship and glorified. Christ over, I am the first. Who does not wish to death of the sinner, but to repent and to live. Thou callest all men to salvation, to the promise of good things to come. Lord, do thou the same. Facilitate our present life and direct us to act according to thy commandment. Sanctify our souls, purify our bodies, set aright our reasoning, cleanse our thoughts, heal our sicknesses, remit our sins, and deliver us from our wrath and distress. Surround us with thy holy angels that guided and guarded by their hosts. We may attain the unity of faith and the comprehension of thy imperceptible and infinite power. For blessed art thou unto all ages. Exhibit me in God, ye must God and make me praise. Blessed be Jah.
Music. So here we go. Here we go. Come on. Now you're being the trumpet now. Excelsior the control. Yes, David. Hey. Yeah. That's my student. I can't play like him. Oh yeah, 'cause he rules us all. On drums we have Prince. Take it away, Prince. Here we go, Prince. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, give thanks.
Thank you.
May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa. Hear Roots. Revolution. And the new age of music. The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30, 7 to 9 a.m. Hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Key Mix Audio, and Summit New Kingston, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae, it's spirit music, and Cool 97 FM is taking it to the summit for Live Tuesday, May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa. Hear Roots. Revolution. And the new age of music. The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30, 7 to 9 a.m. Hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Key Mix Audio, and Summit New Kingston, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 90. This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae, it's spirit music, and Cool 97 FM is taking it to the sun. For Live Tuesday, May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa. Hear Roots. Revolution. And the new age age of music.
Call upon the leaders.
The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30, 7 to 9 a.m. Hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, Braham's Texaco Service Station, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, Key Mix Audio, and Summit New Kingston, Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
It's roots, it's reggae, it's spirit music, and Cool 97 FM is taking it to the summit for Live Tuesday, May 30, featuring the iconic band, the Abyssinians, alongside Everton Pessoa.
There is a light
Hear Roots,
far away.
Revolution,
This land is forever rewind.
and the new age of music.
Call upon the leaders.
The Abyssinians on location at Summit, 16 Chelsea Avenue, New Kingston for Live Tuesday, May 30.
Thank you ever so much, Yashika. Always a pleasure to be able to present Live Tuesday to you. And just to let you know that in our last segment, we had as our sponsors, yes indeed, we had ATC Freight and Shipping. Now, they'll pick up, pack, and ship your boxes, barrels, crates, and containers from most major cities in Canada. Ship from Canada with ATC Freight and Shipping, proud agents of IKL Logistics. Call 876-630-1515, and you can WhatsApp 802-4573. We had Braham's Texaco. Hi, Mr. Braham. Yes, in lovely Port Antonio. Striving for excellence always at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland. Call 876-993-2706. And we're getting back into Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, coming to you from the Summit. Is it the Summit or the Summit New Kingston? I'm speaking with Kevin Donaldson. Remember him from last week? Yes. He's one of the directors here at the Summit. I'm calling it the Summit, but he's going to clarify it for us. What is the real name of the institution? Hold on.
This venue is called Summit.
Summit.
Summit. And it's going to be replicated at various locations with certain characteristics, which is namely, it's going to have health facilities, it's going to have this kind of garden vibe, it's going to have wellness, food, entertainment, and businesses. So we're trying to create commercial spaces that appeals to all the senses of humans, right? And you just want to be there all the time. So if you want to relax, put your foot in the pool and do some work. Or you come to Live Tuesdays and get our early meds, and then you can hit the work afterwards. So that's what we're trying to create with our spaces. So this is Summit, the first one. It's in New Kingston. It's a special location. And then we're going to expand to other places across Jamaica and the Caribbean.
You mentioned good food. Well, I just need to, at this point, acknowledge a sponsor for this segment, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. They're the official caterers of Live Tuesday. And don't forget to ask about the vegan veggie balls when you go to the supermarket, all right? And they're available island-wide. Call Yvonne at 876-455-9859. I think that's what I'm seeing here, or is it 456? Okay, get rid of the glasses. Put the phone clear. Aha! It's 458-9859. Okay, there we go. All right, I have to have on dark glasses out in the sun, because yes, the sun is peeking through these lovely trees. So, back to Mr. Donaldson. All right, so give us a lowdown. Last week we were here. What's the feedback?
I think it's something that will build. The vibe was good. I love live music. I love the history of Jamaican music, and I think we need to expose as much of it as possible. So Summit is about inclusiveness and just presenting what's best about Jamaica. And I think this is one of those things. Now we need to figure out how to turn this into a night event so we can have more people here.
That's easy.
But generally, I think this is something that can kickstart your day. Positive vibrations going into the work environment is always good. So I think this is a good initiative. A big up to Cool for doing it. and I think there's more to come. So Summit is in support of it, and eventually we expect to see more people after they finish working out or on their way to work to come here and just get some good vibes.
Okay. So when we look at the future of Summit, you did mention that it's going to be literally a respite for anyone who wants to just get away from the headache of the office. Let's just put it where it belongs. Sometimes the office can be a headache. So you just want to, you still have work to do, but you want a nice chill environment in which you can just hold a meds and do it. And you can come here, sit with your laptop, and work by the pool. For those who might want to have a permanent space here at Summit, how do they go about that? Have all of the office spaces been rented, or do you still have spaces available?
I think we can squeeze some. Better Homes and Gardens is the realtor representing us, and they're bringing people here, looking every day, people looking on the space. So I would say contact Better Home and Gardens. We are listed. It's a MLS listing. You can see the space and get exposed to it. One thing I'll say is that it is a getaway, but it's also somewhere where you can come and be very productive. So we believe that a work environment that enables all senses to be working at its optimum results in a more productive human being. So that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to create an environment that all your senses are charged and you can work properly. And that's what we want. And then if you're tired, you can take a break. We have Summit House. Now, this is what I have to tell everyone about. Every Friday, we have something here where we expose people to different kinds of cuisine. So last week, Friday, we had 7 vendors here. And persons could eat from seafood to vegetarian to, I don't want to offend the... But
yes, we know what else was there.
Yeah, so yeah, jerk. and the reality is, all of that was available. And that's what we're going to do again this Friday. So you will
Starting what time?
We start at 6, and it's at the Summit House. You're going to have proper music, proper food, and just good vibes. We service you well, take care of you, and make sure you enjoy yourself.
Okay. Do you have to call before?
No, man, just show up.
Just show up.
Just show up. If we don't have no space for you, we'll create the space, because at the end of the day, we're an inclusive facility, and our goal is to make our clients and customers comfortable.
So you hear that, everybody? So you know where you're going to be this Friday?
Yeah, man, and this
Starting
Friday.
at 6.
And Thursdays now we play dominoes.
All
and
right.
for those that want to play Kaluki, we'll offer that comfort. But I'm a domino man, so we play dominoes every Friday. It's Thursday here. We have music and we have food and everything available, and you come and enjoy yourself and relax. Just what I want the listeners to realize is that Summit is about all the things that make us Jamaicans like to relax, enjoy life, and be productive. And that's what we're doing.
Fabulous. All right. So thank you for
Peak
being
of
our
quality.
guest. We've been speaking with Kevin Donaldson. He's one of the directors here at Summit. And we're going to be going back for the time signal, then to our stage. We close out Live Tuesday for you at about 3 minutes to the top of the hour when we go to our cool flight pack. But let me just seize this opportunity to say thank you to all our sponsors of Live Tuesday. Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, improve your health, bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl St. Catherine, Braham's Texco, striving for excellence always, at 15 Harbour Street, Port Antonio, Portland, 876-993-2706. We also have ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, the service professionals, shipping your personal and commercial cargo at competitive rates from Panama, China, Curacao, and Canada. At Newport West, you call them at 630-1515, and in Freeport, Montego Bay, 613-1667. The Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Ask about the vegan veggie balls at major supermarkets island-wide. 458-9859, and Key Mix Audio. The mix is key for PA and sound support. Thank you to you, our cool listeners. Thank you to Summit. And thank you to all the performers this morning on Live Tuesday. Next week, we'll have more for you.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97.
Check. So,
all my fans out there, you know, we want to just do a few songs peso style. Yeah, so let you know right now. So if you're in your car, at home, and you're listening to Cool FM 97, we're going to give you something now.
Peso style.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? Yeah. Oh, Lord, Lord. Are you rocking in your car? Are you rocking in the car now? Oh, yeah. Nelson Mandela, you know. Hey. Ever since you went away, every day is such a cloudy day, and I don't know if it's rain from the skies, tears from my eyes falling down on my face, baby, and rolling down my cheek. Yeah. Oh, yes. Hurry back and bring that sun. Let me be your one, your only love. And just a one kiss, stop the rain from the skies. Tears from my eyes falling down on my face, baby, and rolling down my cheeks. Oh, all I know is that I love you, girl, and if we live forever, I'll be loving you, staying, yeah. You will always be just everything for me, so hurry back and bring that sun. Let me be your one, your only love, and just a one kiss. You stop the rain from the skies, girl. Tears from my eyes falling down on my face, baby, and rolling down my cheek. Just keep rolling, 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 rolling. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Let me hear you touch up your hand in the car now. Touch up the hand in the car, them now. Yeah. So you feeling? How you feeling? Watch ya now. Here we go now. I say I feel like crying. I feel like crying. How you mean? I since you left me and gone. You see my love can't go on, baby. Please come back home. I beg you, please come back home. You know I hate being alone. Hate being alone. Cause since you walk on, I can't eat. You walk on, I can't sleep. Everything I do just seems to go wrong, baby, baby. Have some mercy, little mercy, darling. Oh, yeah, have some mercy. Have some mercy. Have some mercy on me, darling. Whoa. Now so tell them something, yeah. Oh, yeah. I've been loving I try to forget her with my next girlfriend, but I just can't. But I just can't. And if me try to forget her, but it's a problem. I got to find out that she's the best girlfriend. Whole wide world. Yeah. If you need someone to run to, someone the reason when I will be there. I'll be no fair. And if you need financial support, I will be there, of course. I will be there. Oh, yeah. I feel like crying, yeah. Girl, I don't feel like crying. Would have jump some music and hold a vibe, you know? Nazuma never tell the rest of hit the building and let the feel. Take it down, take it down, take it down. Oh, yeah. Take it down, take it down. Oh. Yeah. Touch it, Earl, touch it now. Oh, yeah. We no clap over there, sir. I don't over there, sir. Clap. No, early morning, if you have a sip of the tea. Yeah. Warm up the voice. A big tune. All the sweet girls out there. Cool 90s up in the middle. Nice and easy. Boxing it, nice and easy. Cool in a man, so cool. 97. I want every brethren to the rebel, listen. Hey! So we ready now? Yeah. Watch this. Our roots. Roots it up with quality. Whoa. With quality. Yeah. Every day she looks in the mirror. She not like what she see. She covered down with Saddam Scarrow. And I the true quality. Roots. Our roots. Roots it up. We can change the word and we can change the word and say I cool. I cool. 97. Oh yeah. Cool it up with quality. Yeah. Cool it up with quality. Come again. Hey. Every day she looks in the mirror. Yeah. She not like what she see. Covered down with eyeshadow and mascara. I the true quality. I cool. I cool. Cool it up with quality. Whoa. Cool it up with quality. Yes. Cool it up, go no. Now the jump, she a jump and prance. And all the way she the well. She have to come to the Rootsman dance. Rootsman music. A Jaja music never fail, I yet know. Jaja music never fail, yeah. A Jaja music never fail, I yet know. Cool 97 never fail. I cool. Hey. I cool. I cool. Cool it up with quality. Whoa. With quality, yeah. With quality, yeah. Hey, watch her now. This girl is trying to act sophisticated. She loves to travel high class. She never checked that teacher was educated. And on the exam I pass. I cool. Cool it up with quality. Whoa. With quality, yeah. With quality, whoa. With quality, yeah. All the jump Cha-cha music never fail, I yet know. Cha-cha music never fail. Cha-cha music never fail, I yet know. Cha-cha music never fail. Oh, yeah, hey, hey. I cool, I cool, I cool, I cool, I cool. I cool, I cool, I cool, I cool, I cool. I cool, I cool, I cool, I cool, I cool. Cool it up with quality. Whoa, 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 whoa. With quality, yeah, yeah, yeah. With quality, whoa, 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 whoa. With quality, yeah. Cool them down with quality, Lord, Lord, Lord. We cool them down with quality, yeah, 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 yes. So I want to do this just for the ladies, you know? Just for the ladies. Yeah. Wait a second, go on, one more? Yeah. Give me one something there. So we want to do. So ladies, I know you're driving, and I know that some of you have gotten to work. But we want to tell you how much we love you, even though you break my heart so many times, baby. All kinds of music. Looking back over my years, I guess I shed some tears. I told myself time and time again, this time I'm gonna win. Another fight, things ain't right, I'm losing again. It take a fool to lose twice and start all over again. Yes, I think I better let it go. Yeah, looks like another love. Think I better let it go, ladies. Looks like another love. Yeah. Try to take control of this love. Love took control of me. That's when you lose all thought, all sense of time. Ever change your mind? Of the bumps and the bruises of all the things of a two-time loser. I try to hold on, my fate is gone. Just another sad song. Think I better let it go. Hey. Looks like another love. Whoa, yeah. Take it down. Looks like I gotta let it go.
In New Kingston, we're just saying thank you to Axiom Pictures for providing us with coverage this morning. They beamed the happenings here at Summit to you, wherever you are, whether at home or the office. And we also have to say thank you to Orville Blake, who provided support to our technician on duty right here at Summit, Paul P.D. Dennis. Thanks, everyone. Okay, so let's go to our cool flight packs.
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.
3 departs Mobay for Orlando, also at noon. American Airlines AA.
Cool 97 FM. This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM. This is the nation's coolest.